In this video, I will show you how to fix mouse lag or stuttering on Windows 11 PC. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and update your mouse and USB drivers. So to do that, go ahead and click on WinX on your device and then click on Device Manager on the pop-up. Now, once you're on the Device Manager, go ahead and expand Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Right-click on your mouse and then click on Update Driver. Also, update USB controllers under Universal Serial Bus Controllers section. So click on that and you'll find here all of your USB controllers. Now, if you have done this and it doesn't work, another thing you can do is to go ahead and disable Selective Suspend. So go to Control Panel. So go ahead and open Control Panel on your device. And then once you're in here, click on Power Options. So click on System and Security, and under that, you'll find Power Options. And then change Plan Settings, and then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. So expand USB Settings. Head over to USB Selective Suspend Settings and set to Disabled. This prevents Windows from powering down your USB ports. And the last thing that you can do is to go ahead and adjust your pointer settings. So to do that, you'll need to go ahead and open your settings. So close all of these tabs and then open settings by clicking on WinI on your keyboard. Now once you're in here, head over into the devices section. Click on the devices section and then head over into the pointers or mouse section. Now in here, click on that additional cursor options, and then in here, go ahead and head over into the pointer options tab and uncheck enhance pointer precision. And that is how you can basically fix mouse lag or stuttering on Windows 11 PC. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.